Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. 2020 Harley-Davidson Freewheeler with 1,853 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, and reverse. It's been upgraded with a luggage rack and a passenger backrest. The Freewheeler is a straightforward trike that travels lighter than the Tri-Glide but still offers power, comfort, and stability. Powered by a 114 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Freewheeler puts 89 horsepower and 122 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,084 pounds and has a 27.6 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.